In this video, I'll show you how to use a playbook or cadence in FrontSpin, giving you a series of different touches over time. And I'll show you the 4 different types of touches you can do. In this case, we're going to start off with an intro phone call on day 1. As I call somebody, they will automatically move down to the next step, in this case to go connect on LinkedIn as a social touch. And I have my LinkedIn fields in here for those people. Then they move down to the next step, which is an intro email, in this case, a manual email, meaning that I, as the rep, need to click on a button in order to send that out to these couple people right here. When you're doing emails, you could do A/B testing like I'm doing here, where I have 2 different versions of my intro email with different content. I can track the opens and the clicks and see which one performs better. Then down here at the bottom, I have a final step that is actually a reply to the first email. So it'll use the same subject line, like RE, the previous subject, and be in the same email thread. Let's go into the back end of the playbook here and show you exactly what this looks like. So right here, I have my day 1 intro call. If I wanted to specify which phone numbers to dial, I could do that in here. Let's say that you have a series of phone touches. Maybe on one step you call the main phone, then you call the office phone, you call the mobile phone. So you could specify which one gets dialed. We also have the ability of using schedules to get around time zone issues. So if I build a schedule that says Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 is when I want to call somebody, if somebody falls outside of that time frame in their own local time zone, then I will just automatically skip them and move on to the next person. On my next step here, I have connect on LinkedIn. I used it as an other/social step. After that, we have that manual email, which allowed us to add in some different email templates here. Here's version A and version B with all of my email content in there ready to go. And down at the bottom is my reply to the intro email. In this case, I made an automatic email, so it just goes out for me. I don't have to click on anything. And in the template here, instead of adding a new template, I'm doing this as a reply to the previous one with that same email subject and same email thread. And I put a more direct message in here, like per my email below, here's what I wanted to follow up with. Up at the top of the playbook, we also can add in exit conditions. When do we remove somebody automatically? You can set up lots of different things in here based on call results or statuses or inbound things from the prospects. In my case, I kept it simple and I said if the call result is any of these 3 different things, take them out of here automatically. This is all customizable, by the way. You can add any values in here that you want. And playbooks can be built any way that you want. You can have as many phone steps, email steps, social touches in there. Some playbooks will be purely emails only, like an email drip campaign. Some will be just phone, or some will have a mixture of all the different steps built in here, built around your specific needs and your process. So that's just a quick overview of using a playbook or cadence in FrontSpin.